been a nigga wanted, man. Pop me, yes, Eddie, I'm fast, I'm so fast, I'm so faster than Sunny, man. True to man, true to man, true to my nigga, true religion, Buddha, man. My money stack tall as Ludacris, I throw and I swear I'ma shoot with it. I didn't give a damn, bird, what I'ma do with that? Pull up on the curb, then you hop out and be through with that. I'm so fresh like this detergent, if you not fresh, you so through with that. If you are a nerd, everything, you not cool with that. Yeah, you not cool with that. Oh, you not cool with that. Oh, you not cool with that.
Finally, the whole fucking squad got that legend, bitch. My man Adrian, aka I King Jersey 856, hit that legend 1 a couple days ago. Shout out to him. This video, well, this gameplay right here is a tribute to him. He went off. I wanted to get gameplay of him as soon as possible. I did his tattoos and for him and shit. I doped them shits out. He got the chest tattoos and then the arms and shit. And 856 on the back with the little roses on the side. Them shits is hot and shit. But this is gameplay of like the day after he hit L1, actually, because it wasn't 2 days he had legend. This is the day after he got legend. I had to play with him and shit because he like one of my niggas and shit. And he like, to be honest with you, I'm not even gonna bullshit. Dub might have a argument with this, but I feel like Adrian is the best shooter out of all of us. Like the 5 that we gonna have for Pro-Am next year: Frost, Adrian, George, Dub, and then me. Adrian is the best shooter, hands down, because his shit is green like bang, green like bang, green like bang, like on some Marv Albert shit. But yeah, shout out to him for getting this legend 1. Because now everybody, when the whole I King squad and then George, he's still Midnight New because he's stubborn as shit, still my nigga, but he ain't changing his name. But when my squad roll up in that park, bitch, y'all know who it is. All legends, bitch. We settle for nothing less. We all legends in this bitch. I can't wait for 2K17 to come out though, cause this shit about trash as fuck. Shit got so bad. We went to 2K15 and that shit is fucking horrible, bro. Fucking straight tits, bro. That shit all fucking tits. Fucking speed boosting motherfuckers left, right, bang, 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 shoot. Like that shit, I ain't got time for all that fuck ass nigga shit. Fuck all that. So we back on here. These sorry ass motherfuckers that's mad because patch 6 didn't ruin the game for them and they ruined shit for us. We still on here finessing motherfuckers. Green light. What I tell y'all, I don't even know what that nigga shot meter was, but I knew that shit was green. Cause his shit just be falling. And we be saucing niggas. Like my favorite 3 to play with is me, him, and Frost. My second, like when I'm trying to dunk on niggas and like just get saucy and just be competitive, is me, Adrian, and George. And then to be honest, I really only have no. Oh my god, replay that back. Y'all might wanna go look, do something. Look, pause this video and go back and look at that bullshit I just did. That shit was fucking ridiculous. That shit was godly. But like I said, I really don't have no special 3 because everybody that I fuck with, I love to play with. So just like we all have the chemistry together. We all been playing. Well, me, Frost, Donald, and George been playing for like 4 or 5 years to fucking get on this 2K shit. So we already know how each other is. Green light again from my man Adrian. And then Adrian is a part of, he caught on quick. He part of the squad and shit. So it's kind of easy. Like this 2K shit, man. This shit is life. They just need to step their fucking game up. Of course this shit get us mad. It get us all mad. But we just gotta get through it. This motherfucker's trash. Missing a fucking 360 dunk. You see me, I'm tagging the rack. Give me that. Let's go. I got 6 points on this fuck nigga. C+, 6 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 defensive rebound, 17-6. These niggas is garbage. I think we went on like a 7-game win streak on that shit, but I had to get off and go do some shit. But yeah, this should be fun, low key, because you ain't gotta worry about them cheesing motherfuckers no more. Like motherfuckers just try to go baseline. You see me pulling up, green. Oh, I thought that shit was green. I was about to lie on screen for y'all motherfuckers. That shit was green light in my head. Fuck y'all. But yeah, like this shit kind of fun now because you don't gotta worry about them hip hop faggot ass niggas. Step forward, go speed boost, Kobe this, Kobe that, go to corner shoot. Like, you ain't gotta worry about all that bullshit. You about to either bring your A game or you ain't gonna have no game. You fucking trash. Give me that block. Did I get that block? No, I got multiple defensive stop, offensive, and I got defensive rebound. My fault. Adrian pulling up. He missed that when he was contested, but I don't blame him. Game is over. Y'all already know it's the iKing squad. Shout out to Adrian. Shout out to Frost. Shout out to George. Shout out to Dub. We the savages. You know what I mean? I don't fuck with nobody else but them niggas I just named, man. They the niggas I play 2K with. Look at me going 5 for 5, 11 points, 3 boards, no assists. Who give a fuck, nigga? We still won. Fuck you mean, man. But yeah, again, shout out to my man Adrian, Mr. Greenlight, man. And I was gonna do a little thing and show y'all how to do how the new fucking, whatever the fuck it is, man. Lost my train of thought. Fuck that, the little new hop step cheese, but y'all motherfuckers go watch a different YouTube for that shit. I ain't with all that homo shit, so I ain't teaching you shit. Cause I don't do it my goddamn self. Yeah, niggas, and you see niggas ain't wanna come play us, man. But look, y'all see it, a 4-game win streak, but we played way more after this. I don't even want to record this game. You know what I mean? Niggas was on the 4s. Every time I go on the 4s, don't nobody be on there. So I'm out.